Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add footers and how to add links or copyright information in footers and how to change the background color and everything. Okay, so let me show you step by step. So I have this project and now I will add footer on it. So you just have to go to the body section, and inside body section we will add footer, and we have a tag called footer, and here you have to write this. So in footer, basically people use footer for social media, uh, you know, pa- uh, to share the social media platform, or maybe for site maps, or what can I say, copyright information. So let me just start with copyright information here. So we will say, because I want to show it as paragraph, and here I want to show copyright web tech knowledge. Okay. So if I go to the browser and refresh it, as you can see, we have added the footer. Now let's do some CSS for it to give it a better look. So to do CSS, you have to go to the head section, and inside the style we will do CSS for it. So I have to type here footer and then curly braces, and then I will say I want to add background color, and it should be RGBA. And if I go to the browser and refresh it, and you can see we have added footer background color, and I want to change the text color uh, in white smoke. Okay, no problem. Refresh it. As you can see, we have changed the color, and we want to show our text in center. So text align center. Now go to the browser and refresh it. As you can see, we are in the center. Let's add some padding here. Padding should be 20 pixel or more, whatever you want to. And now refresh it, and you can see we have added paddings. Now let's say, okay, if you want to change the color, you can go through this website, and here you can change the color. Let's say you want to give this color in your footer, so just copy it and just go to the code editor and just paste it here. Okay, and now refresh it, see the changes. So let's say we want to add three section here, three column. One is for social platform, another one is for um, copyright, right? So in our footer section, let's say we want to add div. Let's say I want to do some style here, or let's just give it a class, and class name should be div, footer div one, right? And here we want to show social media icons. So let's just create UL and then li. Here we will say Facebook, we will say Twitter, and we will say YouTube. YouTube, right? And here, if I go to the browser and let me just refresh it, and you can see we have added it. And let me just do some CSS for it. Go to the CSS style. So inside the style, we will type here food. Okay, so we have to access the class using dot here, and then curly braces right here, list style type. We have to mention here also UL and li. And now it's gone, right? And now, as you can see, we have a three option here, but it's not clickable, right? So we have to add anchor tag. So go to the list here and use anchor tag for it, right? Anchor tag. And I want to close it. close the anchor tag, and here we will say href. Href should be Facebook https:/facebook.com. Control V, and for the YouTube we will use anchor tag here also, and just close it. And inside anchor tag we will say href https://youtube.com. Okay, now go to the browser and refresh it. Now you can see these three items are clickable, right? If I click on it, it will took me to the Facebook. If I click on YouTube, it will take me to the YouTube, and so on. But we can see the items, right? So we have to change the color. So let's just change the color. Go to the CSS option here, and here I will say color should be white, and padding, I will use padding. Padding should be 10 pixel. If I go to the browser and refresh it, I will see okay, yes, okay, so I have to do another CSS for this, and for the anchor tag also, and here I will say color should be white, right? Okay, and we want to remove the decoration, so we'll say here text decoration should be none. Okay, no text decoration. Okay, so now let's say we want to add hover effect. So I will add a footer div 1 here and list, and I'll say hover, and it will change the color. Background color should be changed RGBA, and I will actually copy from here. This color should be blue. Okay, and now change the color here. That's it. Now go to the browser and refresh it. If I hover on it, you can see color is changing, right? Okay, I just need to cut it from here, and let's just do it for the div 1. So footer div 1, I will say here display flex, justify content, flex star. Now refresh it and it will work properly. See, so this is how you can add social links. And now let me just show you how to add sitemap also. So if I go to the maps here, let me just go to the Google Chrome browser, and here I will say, let's say I will say map, or right here Google Map, and go to the map and just search for any location. Let's say Dhaka, and just click on here share, and then embedded map, and let's just select the small one and copy the HTML here. Now go to the code editor, and in footer section let's just add another div here, and inside the div we will say we paste it, the map. Okay, now go to the browser and refresh it, and here you can see we have added the map. Okay, so this is how we can add footer in your web page, and this is how we can add more column. Let's say you want to add search option or email contact form here, you can do it. And this is the copyright section. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.